everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day 2 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas for 2025. Here we go. This is what number 2 looks like. All right, and if you are also receiving this bag, I just noticed there is a QR code here with Chuck. If you want to go ahead and scan that QR code with your camera phone, you can actually go to Jenny's unboxing as well if you'd like to see that as well. But let's go ahead and see what we got today. Last year I tried to preserve these, but it's just not happening. You guys, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. It's a little stocking, first of all. So cute. It's a peppermint Clara 20mm rotary cutter. I actually love this size rotary cutter. I do already have one from Fiskars as well, and they are so handy. But look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Oh, this feels really nice too. There's like a nice grip here. Let's see. Oh, so nice. There's a little protective sleeve here that you need to take off and remove before use. And then you can hang it, of course, with all your other quilty things. What a perfect little gift. I love this so much. And this is actually great. I just thought this is actually great for cutting out those little snow globes from our panel that we just got on day 1. Oh my gosh, let me know what you guys think down below about this item. If these items are on Missouri Star's website, I will go ahead and link those down below. I am not an affiliate or anything, but it's very helpful when you can just link to something. So I'll go ahead and do that. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I will see you tomorrow for day 3.